saying is 3?
No, she's not a baby. She's a toddler. Our baby is 9 months old.
9 months.
So that's Mom, Kashada, and that's Lily.
Okay, now you know. How do
Yeah.
you tell the difference?
Her mammary glands are pronounced because she's nursing. That's the only way. That's Gino. There's Gino.
Yes, you get to see Gino. Good. Her day's been made.
Consider yourself lucky because he's not out here the majority of
Sorry.
the time.
Oh, he's not?
No.
So this is a special treat to see him out. Is he the dad?
Of all the kids.
Of
yeah.
all the babies?
He's our only breeding male.
Okay.
He's the only breeding male this facility has ever had.
He's a lucky one.
He has the hair.
He's European, so that's why.
Is it just the two, or are there more females that are breeding?
So Lily is not a breeding female. Lily's an offspring.
Okay.
There is another breeding female with the baby on the other side.
That's humble.